In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept ACH payments with Stripe. If you've been using Stripe to manage your business transactions and are looking to expand your payment options, accepting ACH payments can be a valuable addition. ACH, or Automated Clearinghouse, is a popular method for processing bank-to-bank transactions in the United States. It's often used for recurring payments and direct deposits, providing a reliable and often cost-effective way to manage finances. Let's walk through the process of enabling ACH payments on your Stripe account, step by step. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Stripe dashboard. This is your main control center where you manage everything related to payments for your business. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to your home screen, filled with various tabs and options. Look for the Settings option. We're going to adjust some of the default settings to enable ACH. Click on Settings and you'll see a list of different categories under your product settings. Next, you'll need to focus on the Payments section. Click on the Payments tab under Product Settings. This tab is where you manage all the different ways you can receive payments. From credit cards to bank transfers, this is essentially the hub for your incoming funds. Now, let's move forward to select the Payment Methods option. By doing this, you'll be taken to a screen that displays all the available methods you can offer to your customers. This is where you can both manage existing payment methods and add new ones. The clearer this area is, the easier it will be for your customers to transact with you. Once you're in the Payment Methods section, your goal is to locate ACH. This might involve scrolling through a list of options. Find ACH, which stands for Automated Clearinghouse, as we mentioned earlier. This is what will allow you to accept direct bank transfers from your clients. You should see a toggle switch beside it. To enable ACH, simply click on it and turn it on. You may need to follow additional verification procedures or agree to specific terms and conditions depending on your business and compliance requirements. But essentially, clicking the toggle will activate the feature, and you'll be ready to accept ACH payments. There you go, you've now set up ACH payments on Stripe. With this option activated, you can offer your customers more flexibility with how they want to pay, and often with lower transaction fees than credit cards. Remember to check if there are any transaction limits or additional requirements specific to your business or account type. This simple setup can really expand the payment possibilities for your business, making it more accessible for a wider range of customers. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to explore Stripe's help resources or reach out to their support team for assistance. Thanks for watching and happy transactions.